Here's a room tour of my room at the Fairmont Gold Pacific Rim. There's an iPad for you to order all the things, but when you get in there, guys, it is straight views all around this entire room, panoramic views. Here's a view of the little office space and the king size bed. I got the gold harbor view of Ofuro king room. We've got an espresso machine, some water, and just a street view here. But going into the bathroom, guys, this is what sold me. Look at that huge Ofuro tub, and again in the bathroom as well, panoramic views. This is on a gloomy regular day in Vancouver, but when that snow and that sun hits the mountains, it is exquisite. The views for this room in the bathroom, it's like you never want to leave. It's like you just want to sit there in that tub and enjoy all the views. With 500 square feet of living space, let's head on over to the walk-in shower. This is complete with a rainfall shower head and Le Labo Rose 31 conditioner, shampoo, and shower gel for you, all full size. The toilet is concealed. There's also a live plant in here, guys. Just stay here the next time you're in Vancouver.